In this brief section, we will quickly review the dashboard views available to you. The account dashboard is right next to the Build tab. In this dashboard, in here you can view a summary of recent activity within your account. Processes that did not execute will not appear even if they are shown in process reporting. The account dashboard page is divided into several pre-configured sections: offline atoms, process errors, throughput, pending executions, and connector usage, execution count, and document count. Let's take a quick look at this on the platform. The dashboard is right to the left of the Build tab, and click on Account Dashboard. Here you can filter by accounts and filter also by the available atoms and environments. You can also select a date and time range for all of these data sections. The Realtime dashboard page provides summary status of low latency processes that occurred in the time and/or date range that you select. It is divided into several sections called gadgets, and this is execution status by time, execution status, average response time, and process summary reporting. The real-time dashboard tracks incoming HTTP requests that result in low latency process execution, including the following: the 200 OK. This is a standard response for successful HTTP requests. 500 internal server error. This generic error message appears when an unexpected condition was encountered and a more specific message is not suitable. 522 connection timed out. This message is returned to the client when the Atom worker maximum execution time has been executed. And warnings that exceed the low latency warning threshold but do not exceed max execution timeout. Note that 400 and 503 errors, which are not reported on the real-time dashboard, are reported on the HTTP status dashboard. The HTTP status dashboard is used to view a summary of the logs on a particular atom or environment during a specified period of time. The codes are standard HTTP status codes: 100s for informational, 300s for redirection, 400s for client error, and 500s for server error. This dashboard includes these following messages, which cannot be viewed in other dashboards. The 400 is a bad request, means there are miscellaneous errors with the request. For example, mismatches between the request and what is allowed for the operation. 401 unauthorized. This is not reported if the user or account cannot be identified and the Atom cloud is multi-tenant. 403 forbidden is an authentication error. 404 not found is an invalid URL path. 405 method not allowed. This is the caller attempted to send input data to a process that cannot receive input data. 413 request entity too large. This is the request data was too large. And 503 service unavailable. The caller has hit a throttle or the request was rejected because the Atom is starting or stopping.